go, guys. First, we have to make our own plates. If you need help, I can make it for you. So look, fold it in the middle like this, and make sure it's equal. Then open it. Look, open it. Look, Ariel. Now do this from there until
all the way to the middle.
All the way to the middle.
Like this.
Yes.
It's the top of the house.
That is the first step.
We made a house for Leo. It's a house.
Now fold it again. Now then you do this. This is a little tricky, but you touch it in here this way and make sure you have a little bit left. Ariel's is almost ready. Okay, go. And it's no, this way, not that way. This way. Fold it, then you have it. Cheta. Your plane is ready. Everybody come here. Everybody stay in line. Everybody hold it this way.
Wait, Josh.
Ready, Mama?
Wait.
So the one,
Ready.
One where it goes furthest wins. Cheta start. Good, and stay there. Oh, it'll go. Whoa!
Not yet, not yet.
Oh!
Isabel, throw yours, throw yours.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at this. Ready? Look. Wow! Let's go, mamas. Wow! Whoa, area! Go, Isu.
Secret is to blow into this one.
Okay.
And keep blowing in.
Why? Oh, really?
Because Mama only blowed in once. And
Okay.
I didn't put in the full pressure.
You guys have to catch me. Go catch it. And everybody catch Mama. Catch her. Okay, Isu, run. Wait, mamas, we gotta get Chechi. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Run!